What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you don't already know me, I'm Andrew, and today we're going to be breaking down these 6 essential grooming tips that will make you look better than 99% of guys. You have to start rubbing ice on your face. Throughout your day, your face can appear more inflamed due to a ton of reasons like eating, drinking tons of water, maybe you went out last night and alcohol causes a lot of inflammation and redness as well. But there's a ton of factors throughout the day that will cause your face to be inflamed and it makes it look puffy. So to not have a chubby face and make it more compact, so start rubbing ice on your face, and the thing about that is that it's completely free. Number 2, use lotion right out of the shower. This is something I do every time I get out of the shower because not only does it make you feel like you're reborn, you're silky, but when you apply cologne as well, the scent will stick on for much longer than if you didn't put any lotion on. And who doesn't like touching silky skin? Number 3, I haven't heard a lot of people talk about this on the internet, but start combing your eyebrows. This is a sleeper that many guys don't even know about. See, when you start combing your eyes, it will give you the illusion that you have those hunter eyes, which makes your face look more dominant, confident, and intense, which is highly attractive. Number 4, use sunscreen. See, most guys don't even use sunscreen, and if you're one of those guys, you're missing out. If you want to look as young as possible for as long as possible, you gotta start using sunscreen right now. See, these UV rays are so harmful that not using anything for your face will double the aging that goes on wrinkle-wise, and you'll see the effects much faster. You gotta start protecting yourself now and get at least an SPF 30 or more if you want to ensure your safety in that aspect. Number 5, start using cologne. Bro, if you're not already doing this, there's no bad effect of not using cologne. If you really think about it, there's no negative. Like, what are you doing? If you're not already smelling good, you're probably a burden to be around amongst your peers, bro. And that is not a good look you want to have. Like, ask yourself the question, why wouldn't you want to smell good? See, there's only positives, there's no negatives. And especially in the hotter months coming up like spring and summer, bro, if you're walking around smelling like BO, you're automatically going to be judged and put into a category that you don't want to be in, trust me. And number 6, this is very self-explanatory, but trim your nails. At least every 4 to 5 days, trim your nails. If you have dirt under your nails, it's time for you to trim your nails. It's not a good look, and if your crush sees this, she's gonna get the ick. And that's it for me. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.